Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video I am going to share a miracle story of Istighfar. If we keep making Istighfar, our work become easy and we see miracles in our life. If you want to get success in your life, if you want to get wealth in your life, if you want to get peace in your life, keep making Istighfar abundantly. You can only say Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. It is also Istighfar. Or you can say Astaghfirullah alladhi la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. Or any Istighfar which you want to do, but keep doing Istighfar. So our sin will remove and we will get what we want in our life. One of the miracle of Istighfar. Recitation of Istighfar has been a miracle for me. I came first in my university admission test and got 100% merit scholarship to study. And this is because of making Istighfar constantly. Another miracle happened in my life. I got a tuition worth $200 per month for 1 hour a day, 4 days a week. Mind you, the average earning from tuitions in my country is $50 to $100. The fact that I landed this job my first time was amazing. I don't think 5% of tutors earn this much in my country from just one tuition. And this is just because of doing Istighfar. So many little and subtle things on the daily, such as arriving exactly on time at the bus stop, reaching my destination on time even though I started very late. And I found better friends in my class, better food at my home, and better living standard. And it's just because of doing Istighfar constantly. You really only need to say Istighfar. And you don't think you need to have 100% faith. When you recite at first, no need, even you don't have concentration, what are you reciting? But if you are reciting with your tongue only and saying Astaghfirullah, 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 even if it's mindlessly done, just keep reading Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Whenever you remember and can, faith will come too. Such is Allah's blessing. So keep doing Istighfar. And basically, I never really kept count. I just said Astaghfirullah over and over, again and again, whenever I was on the bus or doing home task or washing dishes or laying down or literally doing something else. I just remember and I start reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. I guess I could recite 1,000 times around, sometimes more than this and sometimes less than this. The only thing I kept in my mind was to not get obsessed with when I would get result. You simply cannot do that. In fact, you just have to recite it and don't think about the result, and Allah will give you result. If it helps, sometimes I try to imagine how ungrateful I had been for the life. Allah has blessed me all the things, but I am not doing Istighfar. So I need to say I am asking forgiveness for my sins. Sometimes I imagine how wrong it is to backtalk and how it would hurt me if someone else talk about me behind my back and so forth. I'm asking for forgiveness and I start reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. These thoughts where I sinned helped me read the Astaghfirullah more and more. When I realize my sin, when I think about my sin, I start making Astaghfirullah more and more, and also helped me not to get obsessed with results. So keep doing Istighfar, keep realizing and keep thinking about your sin and keep asking forgiveness from Allah. You will be forgiven. The things which you want in your life, you will be given. You will achieve success. No matter how much Istighfar you do, no matter how much do you count on it or not, but keep doing Istighfar, keep remembering your sin, keep asking forgiveness from Allah. If you will be forgiven, inshallah, our prayers are accepted and we will be forgiven. And what we want, Allah will give us, because it is the promise of Allah. If we do Istighfar, Allah will give us all the things which we want in our life, and our life will become easy. So keep making Istighfar. Keep doing Istighfar on daily basis while driving, while working at home, while doing your task, while working at your job, But keep doing istighfar. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. I ask forgiveness and you see results in your life, inshallah ta'ala. So from today, make a habit to do istighfar constantly and abundantly, and keep asking forgiveness from Allah. May Allah bless all of us and give us what we want in our life, and may Allah become happy with us. Jazakallahu khairah.